Hello and welcome to 9Cards Learning Tutorials video number 3. In this video, we are going to learn how to add a simple product. In the previous videos, we have seen how to create attributes and add categories. So let's go ahead.
Hello and welcome to 9Cards Learning Tutorials. In the previous video, we have seen how to add categories and attributes needed to add products. Now let us understand how to upload products. Products are categorized into two categories, variable products and simple products. In this video, we will understand how to upload simple products. And at every step, we will show how it affects the appearance at the front end. That is, how will it be visible to the visitor. So now let's begin. When you log in from your admin page, Product Management tool is on the fourth tab on the left side of your admin page. When you click this Product Management, page opens up. Here you can see products, categories and attributes. To upload a new product, simply go to the Products tab. After clicking here, you can see this tab New Product on the right side top. Once you click this tab, the product upload page opens up, which looks like this. We can add the product name in this tab, and then on the bottom right hand side we can add images. So use this icon and you can simply upload an image either from the media file or you can upload from your computer. Right now we'll be uploading from the media library. Okay. You can also add variable images to the image gallery. Simply go to the add images and you can add more images to the gallery. After doing this, simply press the publish button. The product is added and let's see how it looks at the front end. So you can click the product and you can just see the product, and also the variable images can be seen from here. After uploading the image, the next is the description of the products.
Once the product is uploaded, the next step is adding description. The description can be simply written or it can be copied from any other source. So for the timing, let's copy it from any other source and see. After the description comes the product selection. Let's see before that how does it appear in the front end. So let's update it and see how does it appear in the front end. Okay. When we select the product, the description appears like this. The complete description is available at the front end. Okay. Now next is adding the essential important details about the product. So first, in the product data column, we have to select simple product. The product can be tangible or non-tangible, and in case of non-tangible products, it can be virtual or downloadable. So after selecting the exact product that we want to fill, we have to go to this downward arrow. Here you can input two prices. One is the regular price at which the product is being sold, and the second is the offer price which you have to offer. Okay. Again, we can schedule the offer. So if we are opting to schedule the offer, we have to select the date from which the offer starts and the date up to which the offer is available. Okay. Further this, we have to select whether the product is taxable or non-taxable, and if it is taxable, then what kind of tax is applicable that we have to select from here. Once the general details of the product have been added, next is the inventory management. So if we wish to manage the stock using this tool, then we can use the inventory management. So we have to enter the SKU. SKU is the stock keeping unit. If we wish to manage the stocks, simply click here. Here you can enter the opening stock, let's say 100 for this reason. Then if you click here, that allow back orders. So in that case, if the stock is over, still the customer can add to the product and they will be notified or allow but notify, or simply without notifications also we can click any of the options and we can press allow. Okay, then this is an important feature, that is the low stock threshold. So we have to create a segment, a record, that if there is less than 10 units then we should be notified about it. Okay, this is again an important feature, that if you have a premium product and you feel that this product has to be sold only 1 unit to each customer, then you can simply click this. This will not allow the customer to buy 2 units of this limited edition product in one bill. Okay, further, this is the short description of the product. Now, short description of the product is something which will appear along with the product, which is generally the price of the product. For example, we can put here 900 rupees, and whatever changes we have to do, we simply have to keep on updating it. Okay, if you wish to see at the front end, then just go here, you can update the page and you can see the price is visible over here. Okay, once the basic details are filled, next are the publishing tool. So you have to go on the right hand side and click from the tabs over here. So first is the status. The status of the product can be either published or pending reviewed or draft. Now, a draft is something that you have half information filled, so you save it as a draft. If you have information filled and want some senior to approve them, then it can be pending and reviewed, or if the information is completely filled, then you can put published. Next is the visibility. So again, visibility of the product can be public. If it is public, it means everybody can view it. If it is password protected, that means a password has to be given to the product, let's say 123, and people with this password, with whom this password is shared, only they can see the product. Or it is private. So if it is private, only the team which has the admin ID and password and who have the login can only see this product. Okay, now let's go ahead, let's make it public for this time. Okay, now we have a choice that we can publish a product on a particular date. This is applicable for future launches of a product, so you can select the date, time when it has to be published. Okay, next is the catalog visibility. Now the product can be visible to all the people or few people, so this setting is done over here. So if we select shop and search results, then the product is visible everywhere, whether you search it or you shop it. If you select the shop only, then it is not visible while you search it. And if you select search only, then the product is visible only if we search the product. Or if we put hidden, then this is visible only to those people with whom you share the link of the product. And this option is for the featured product. Selecting this option, the product will be appearing in the first column, that is important products, hot products. Okay. Now this is an important feature. If we have similar products, then we can make a new draft, and with minor changes the different products can be uploaded with similar attributes. If we want to delete a product, then simply we can select this tab and move to trash. At every point, it is recommended that whenever you do certain changes, you keep on updating your product. Okay, now let's move further. To see where the product is visible, we have to select in which categories we have to place the product. So it can be sarees, georgette, printed, or it can be sarees and printed, whichever you wish you can do. If you wish to add a new category which is not listed over here, you can simply add a new category, and the same procedure will be followed which we have seen in how to add a category. After this, we can add product tags. Product tags are, for example, sarees. So this is not visible to the customer, but it helps the software detect the product and help the customer when they search it. So after selecting all the categories, the final thing is to update the product. And now let's see how the product appears at the front end. We simply have to add this, and we have to see how the product appears in the front end. So this is the product, this is the offer price, this is the entire details. These are the different views of the product, and it is appearing in the categories of whichever category we had selected. All this is seen over here. The tag which is given is sarees. So this is the way we can see the product at the front. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you in knowing how to upload a simple product. For any further assistance or requirement, you can simply WhatsApp us on this number 78190665553 or email us at help@9cards.com. Thank you very much.